come away with me to the bird bar. Come join the bird bar, fun and games there'll be. Come and see what's on at the bird bar.
Who'll be first at the bird bath today? Mo's first. She's very busy. I wonder what she is doing.
I wish me a happy hatch day. I wish me a happy hatch day. I wish me a happy hatch day and a happy next year.
It's Bob Robin's Hatch Day.
Happy Hatch Day, Bob.
Thanks, Mo. I hope everyone's coming to my party.
I'm sure they will be, Bob.
I better go and check.
Good idea, Bob. I've lots to do here.
Cheerio!
Bob goes to find Jackie Blackbird at her nest.
Happy Hatch Day, Bob.
Thanks, Jackie. Cheep, 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 cheep. Thanks, baby. Are you coming to my Hatch Day party?
We wouldn't miss it for the world. I remember when you were first hatched, Bob.
Did I look cute, like baby blackbird? Cheep, cheep.
Yes, you were all brown and speckly.
Brown and speckly? But what about my red breast?
You didn't grow your red feathers until you were older.
And now I'm grown up. I better go now, Jackie.
Oh, wait a minute. I've got a present for you.
Jackie had made a fruitcake specially for Bob's Hatch Day.
Fruitcake? My favourite. Thanks, Jackie.
I thought you'd like it. Tuck in.
Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. That was yummy, Jackie. I must fly. See you at the party.
Full of fruitcake, Bob flew to see Herbert Heron.
Hello, Herbert.
Happy Hatch Day, Bob.
You haven't forgotten about my party, have you?
Certainly not, Bob. I've been to all your Hatch Day parties.
Really?
Yes, I can even remember the first time you sang. You were as sweet as a nightingale.
The song reminded Herbert that he had something special for Bob.
I nearly forgot, Bob. Here's your Hatch Day present.
Thank you, Herbert. Oh, a fruitcake.
I made it specially.
Thank you so much.
Eat it all up. I know it's your favourite.
Yes, it is.
Bob ate all of his cake. He felt very full indeed.
That was lovely, Herbert. Thank you. See you at the party.
Who's that flying in the sky? Happy as can be. It's Bob the Robin, flying so merrily. Bob's Hatch Day is here. There'll be fun in store, but please don't give him any more cake. I don't think he could eat any more. I don't think he could eat any more. His cheeks are rosy red, just as like his cheeky chest. Hatchday for Bob the robin is simply the best. All his friends will share, there'll be presents, fun and more. But please don't give him any more cake. I don't think he could eat any more. I don't think he could eat any more. I don't think he could eat any more.
Everyone was waiting for Bob to arrive at the bird bath for his Hatchday party.
I wonder where Bob is. I hope he hasn't forgotten.
Bob was so full of fruitcake that he had to stop for a rest on the way.
Here he comes now.
Hello, everyone. Sorry I'm late.
Don't worry, Bob. You're the special guest.
We wish you a happy Hatchday. We wish you a happy Hatchday. We wish you a happy Hatchday and a happy next year.
Thank you, everyone.
Mo had a very large present to give to Bob.
This is for you, Bob. I've been making it all day.
A fruitcake. What a surprise.
Eat up, Bob. It's all yours.
Bob was so full of fruitcake that he simply couldn't eat any more.
Thanks, Mo. But it would make my Hatchday really special if everyone would share it with me.
Oh, yes, thank you very much. Very nice. Oh.
That's kind of you, Bob.
Thanks, Bob.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
It's time to leave the bird bath. Come back and see us again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and what fun there's been.